Hey everyone! Welcome to this week's PSEi weekly recap for October 7th to October 11th, 2024. I'm here to break down the latest market movements, top gainers and losers, so let's dive right in. The Philippine Stock Exchange Index, or PSEi, had a tough week, closing at 7,310.32. That's down by 2.11% from the previous week. The All-Shares Index also saw a slight dip, ending at 4,015.16, down by 0.66%. Now let's take a closer look at the sector performance. Financials dropped by 2.27%, closing at 2,339.44. Industrials had a minor decrease of 0.26%, ending at 9,907.71. Holding firms fell by 1.83%, closing at 6,213.68. The property sector declined by 2.66%, ending at 2,886.16. Services decreased by 2.18%, closing at 2,243.52. And mining and oil experienced the largest drop of 5.14%, closing at 8,610.93. Now, onto the top gainers of the week. Imperial Resources Inc. (IMP) surged by 36.84%, closing at PDO 78. Jackstones Inc. (JAS) rose by 33.06%, closing at P1 65. And Mabuhay Vinyl Corporation (MVC) gained 30.82%, closing at P5 90. But not all stocks had a good week. F&J Prince Holdings Corporation (B) FJPB dropped by 23.48%, closing at P1 76. Anchorland Holdings Inc. ALHI fell by 1.70%, closing at P4 69. And F&J Prince Holdings Corporation A FJP decreased by 18.29%, closing at P2 01. There were also some notable stock movements. Roxas Holdings, ROX, saw significant investor interest with a notable increase in trading volume. Golden MV Holdings, HVN, also experienced a strong performance reflecting positive market sentiment. For market capitalization, the total market cap stood at P20, 17 trillion, with the domestic market cap at P15, 69 trillion. In terms of trading activity, the total value traded was P31, 67 billion, with an average daily value traded of P6, 22 billion. Foreign transactions saw a net foreign selling amounting to P1, 94 billion. The investor sentiment was mixed, with 113 gainers, 127 losers, and 23 unchanged stocks. This suggests cautious investor behavior amid economic uncertainties. In conclusion, the PSEi's decline reflects broader market challenges. However, stocks like Imperial Resources and Jackstones showed strong performance, indicating selective investor optimism. Investors are advised to monitor these trends closely and consider both technical and fundamental analyses in their investment decisions. That's all for this week's PSEi recap. Stay tuned for more updates and remember, informed investing is the key to success. Until next